Introduction to Lean Six Sigma. In today's hyper-competitive business environment, efficiency stands as the cornerstone of success. Organizations across industries relentlessly seek methods to streamline operations, maximize productivity, and minimize waste. Amidst this quest for operational excellence, Lean Six Sigma emerges as a powerful methodology reshaping the landscape of business practices. The fusion of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. At its core, Lean Six Sigma marries the principles of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma methodologies. Lean manufacturing originated from the Toyota production system in Japan and emphasizes the elimination of waste to optimize processes. Six Sigma, on the other hand, focuses on reducing variation and defects in manufacturing and business processes. By integrating these two philosophies, Lean Six Sigma offers a comprehensive framework for enhancing efficiency and quality across all facets of an organization. The core principles of Lean Six Sigma. Central to Lean Six Sigma is the relentless pursuit of waste elimination and variation reduction. Waste, in the context of lean, encompasses any activity that does not add value to the end product or service. These may include excess inventory, overproduction, defects, waiting times, unnecessary transportation, excessive motion, and underutilized talent. By meticulously identifying and eliminating these sources of waste, organizations can streamline their operations and improve resource utilization. Moreover, Lean Six Sigma places a strong emphasis on data-driven decision-making. It relies on statistical analysis and empirical evidence to identify root causes of inefficiencies and guide improvement initiatives. Through the collection and analysis of relevant data, organizations gain insights into their processes, enabling informed decision-making and targeted interventions. Continuous improvement culture. At the heart of Lean Six Sigma lies the concept of continuous improvement. Rather than viewing improvement as a one-time initiative, organizations embracing Lean Six Sigma cultivate a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. This involves regularly reviewing processes, identifying areas for enhancement, implementing changes, and evaluating their impact. By fostering a mindset of continuous improvement, organizations can stay agile and responsive to evolving market dynamics and customer needs. Benefits of Lean Six Sigma implementation. Lean Six Sigma is a methodology that combines principles from lean manufacturing and Six Sigma to streamline processes and eliminate waste while reducing defects. Its implementation has become increasingly popular across various industries due to the multitude of benefits it offers to organizations. Increased operational efficiency. One of the primary benefits of Lean Six Sigma implementation is the significant increase in operational efficiency. By identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, streamlining processes, and optimizing resource utilization, organizations can achieve higher productivity levels with the same or fewer resources. Lean Six Sigma emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement, encouraging teams to constantly seek ways to enhance efficiency and eliminate bottlenecks. This leads to smoother workflows, reduced cycle times, and ultimately, improved overall operational performance. Enhanced product and service quality. Another key advantage of Lean Six Sigma is the improvement in product and service quality. By focusing on reducing variation and defects in processes, organizations can deliver products and services that consistently meet or exceed customer expectations. Through the rigorous application of statistical analysis and problem-solving techniques, Lean Six Sigma enables organizations to identify root causes of quality issues and implement effective solutions to prevent their recurrence. This results in higher customer satisfaction levels and strengthens the organization's reputation for delivering high-quality products and services. Reduced costs. Cost reduction is a significant benefit associated with Lean Six Sigma implementation. By eliminating waste, optimizing resource allocation, and improving efficiency, organizations can achieve substantial savings in operational costs. Lean Six Sigma helps organizations identify and eliminate various forms of waste, such as overproduction, excess inventory, unnecessary motion, and defects. By minimizing these inefficiencies, organizations can significantly reduce their operating expenses and improve their bottom line. Shorter lead times. Lean Six Sigma enables organizations to shorten lead times by streamlining processes and reducing cycle times. By identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, organizations can achieve faster turnaround times from order placement to delivery. Shorter lead times not only improve customer satisfaction by reducing wait times but also enable organizations to respond more quickly to changing market demands. This agility is essential for staying competitive in dynamic business environments. Improved customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is a cornerstone of Lean Six Sigma implementation. By consistently delivering high-quality products and services, organizations can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Through the systematic identification and elimination of defects and errors, Lean Six Sigma helps organizations minimize customer complaints and returns, leading to higher levels of satisfaction. Additionally, Lean Six Sigma encourages organizations to actively solicit feedback from customers and incorporate it into continuous improvement efforts, further enhancing customer satisfaction over time. Greater employee engagement. Employee engagement is essential for the success of Lean Six Sigma initiatives. By involving employees in process improvement efforts and empowering them to contribute their ideas and expertise, organizations can foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Lean Six Sigma provides employees with the tools, training, and support they need to identify and solve problems effectively. This not only improves job satisfaction and morale but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability for process outcomes. Introduction to Lean Six Sigma methodology. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology utilized by organizations worldwide to enhance processes, reduce waste, and improve overall efficiency. It combines the principles of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, creating a structured approach to problem-solving and continuous improvement. At the core of Lean Six Sigma lies the DMAIC framework, an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This framework provides a systematic way to identify issues, measure performance, analyze root causes, implement improvements, and ensure sustainability. Define. The first step in the DMAIC framework is define. During this phase, the project scope, objectives, and customer requirements are clearly defined. This involves identifying the problem or opportunity for improvement, establishing project goals, and defining key metrics for success. Additionally, stakeholders are identified, and their input is gathered to ensure alignment with organizational goals and customer expectations. A well-defined project charter is developed to guide the team throughout the process. Measure. Following the define phase is measure. This step involves quantifying the current state of the process through data collection and analysis. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are identified, and baseline measurements are taken to assess the process's performance. Various tools and techniques, such as process mapping, data analysis, and statistical process control, are employed to gather accurate and reliable data. The goal is to gain a deep understanding of the process and establish a baseline for comparison. Analyze. Once the current state has been measured, the next phase is analyze. During this step, the team identifies and analyzes the root causes contributing to process inefficiencies or defects. Data collected during the measure phase is thoroughly examined to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations. Tools such as cause and effect diagrams, Pareto charts, and hypothesis testing are utilized to identify potential causes and prioritize them based on their impact on the process. The goal is to pinpoint the underlying issues that need to be addressed to achieve improvement. Improve. With a clear understanding of the root causes, the team moves on to the improve phase. Here, solutions are developed and implemented to address the identified issues and improve the process performance. Brainstorming sessions, pilot tests, and design of experiments are some of the techniques used to generate and evaluate potential solutions. The focus is on implementing changes that are practical, cost-effective, and aligned with the project goals. Continuous communication and collaboration among team members are crucial during this phase to ensure successful implementation. Control. The final phase of the DMAIC framework is control. In this phase, the improvements implemented are monitored and sustained over time. Control measures are established to ensure that the process remains stable and continues to meet the desired performance levels. Key metrics are tracked regularly, and any deviations from the target are addressed promptly. Additionally, control plans and standard operating procedures are developed to institutionalize the improvements and prevent the recurrence of issues. The goal is to achieve long-term sustainability and ensure that the benefits of the improvement efforts are realized. Conclusion. The DMAIC framework provides a structured and systematic approach to process improvement within the Lean Six Sigma methodology. By following the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control phases, organizations can effectively identify opportunities for improvement, implement solutions, and sustain the gains over time. This structured approach not only helps organizations achieve operational excellence but also enhances customer satisfaction and drives business success. Conclusion. Lean Six Sigma isn't just a methodology. It's a mindset that drives continuous improvement and helps organizations thrive in today's fast-paced world.